hell is she?
Give me peace, give me peace.
The worst is that she doesn't even have a phone I can reach out.
Give me peace, 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 give me peace. The heart of innocent Christ. Give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent years. Give me peace, give me peace, give me peace, give me peace, give me peace.
Oh, when did you get here? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Give me peace, the heart of innocent Christ. Give me peace.
I called you here because I want us to talk about something.
Wait. Let's get something straight. First and foremost, you always appear and disappear. And it seems I'm the only one seeing you. Look at what you did at the house. Huh? You always put me in trouble. And you don't even change this dress. Each time I see you, you're always in this dress. What do I... Just tell me what I need to know. Because right now, I'm running out of my mind. I don't know. What are you? It's fine. I see you're not ready to have this conversation.
Chima, wait. Chima. It's a long story.
Okay. I'm all ears. Guess that's why we are here now. I'm listening.
I want you to promise me that whatever I have to tell you now, you won't tell anybody.
Deal, I'm listening.
I'm not human.
That's supposed to be some sort of joke or what? I mean, standing before me here is a very beautiful and admirable lady, so I can see you. So what are you saying? Because you're not making any sense.
I am a ghost.
Please try to make sense. I don't understand.
My life was taken away from me unjustly. And ever since, my soul has not been able to find rest.
Wait. You are confusing me the more. Like you are complicating this whole thing. First of all, you said your life was taken unjustly. And then your soul not being at rest. So the nagging question is, who took your life unjustly? And under what circumstance?
Dominic, your brother-in-law, he's the beast that took my life.
You guys coming? The door is open. Oh, hi.
Good day, Mr. Dominic.
Good day. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Oh, you're here with your friend?
Yes.
That's right. My dear, calm down, okay? We don't eat people here.
Yeah.
Okay? You guys, you tried so much to have brought your friend.
Yeah.
Wow. Are you scared of something? Relax.
No, I should be fine.
Yeah. So what do I offer you guys?
Anything soft to go.
Okay. Anything soft.
I don't want anything on fine.
Don't worry, you will love what I'll bring, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna get you a wine I brought from abroad. Yeah. You'll love it. I'm coming, okay? Just hold on.
If you try this rubbish again, calm down. If you try this nonsense again, why are you doing like this? Calm down. I don't know my friend.
Okay. This is wine, and a good wine for that matter. actually love this. No alcohol, just red wine, red grape drink.
Okay.
Fruit wine, yeah. Okay, I would want you to test this thing with something else. That's how I enjoy it. Yeah. You eat bushmeat?
Yes, I do. As a matter of fact, I like it.
Good.
But it's been long I ate
Don't
bushmeat.
worry, you will enjoy yourself today. With your friend.
No, I don't want bushmeat on friend.
You will love this one. This one is mother.
Don't worry, she'll love it.
You know, mother. Then we. The woman sells an antelope too. When you taste it, you will shout, "Oh my God." Okay, take this, go down the street. By the corner of my street, you see one over a woman that is selling it. All kinds of bushmeat. Okay. Just choose anyone you will eat with a friend and them.
Alright.
Come, so you guys will enjoy.
I'll do just that.
Come, so you guys will enjoy. Okay?
Okay.
Please don't stay long.
I'll stay
Come
long.
back now.
I'll stay long, my dear. I'm coming.
Be fast, okay?
Yeah.
Because I can see your friend is scared. So, my dear, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine, right? Because you're fine. You look beautiful. You know, that very first day I met you, I set my eyes on you. I was like, wow. Wow, this girl is my spec. Ooh-wee. So, I wanted to chill, enjoy yourself. I'm not gonna hurt you, okay? Come on, cheer up. Beautiful, you look more beautiful when you smile. I'm gonna open this thing now so you drink.
I don't want.
You don't want?
No, thank you, sir.
Oh, come on, come on. Come on, you're behaving like a baby. Hmm? Are you a baby?
No.
I'm not going to bite you. Calm down.
See, I'm not saying you bite me.
Yeah.
But see, this your gender, they always have ulterior motives. So please, sir, go and sit down there. Let me sit down here.
This is my house. I can sit wherever I want to sit, you know. I actually asked you people to come up to this small sitting room. The bigger one is over there. Okay? This is where I welcome good people, beautiful people like you. Okay? Don't worry. I'm not a bad gender. I'm better than those guys. I am single, well-to-do, I'm a businessman, so I can give you whatever you want.
For you, I don't want anything, sir.
Don't worry, you want something. If you accept my proposal, I'm gonna train you in school to any level you want, to give you anything you want, you know, make you a better woman.
Thank you very much, sir, but I'm not interested.
Oh, come on, stop saying you're not interested.
Sir, stop now.
My hand is very soft now. Why are you scared? Hmm?
See why I said I should come. Sir, don't touch me now. No.
Calm now, calm down. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna take it hard on you. I'll take it very slow.
Oh, leave me alone. Leave me alone now. Sir, leave me alone.
Stop this thing, fine girl. Come on.
Sir, leave me alone.
Where are you going to?
Sir,
Stop
leave me
now.
alone.
Stop now. What is this?
Sir, leave me alone
Let's do
now.
this thing before your friend comes.
Let's do what?
You
I'm not
love
doing
it.
it. Leave me.
You love it. You love it. Hey. Leave that thing. That is how you people used to form that you wound yourself. You did not die anything. If I leave you now, you just run away like Tom and Jerry. That they are running that used to sound. Nobody will see you again. All I'll see is sand, dust. Get up. Babe. 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 Ah. This girl, you're good to enter Nollywood and start acting the dying scene. Ooh. Again. Hello? Get up. Come on, get up. Hello? Hello? This girl, you can act. Why didn't you enter Nollywood and start acting film? Hello? Hello? This thing is serious. Hello? Ne? Ngwa is okay, ngwa binie o. Binie akwena no Igbo, abụ onye Igbo. Binie o, nne.
So after the incident, the both of them decided to keep it a secret between them. Dominic even threatened my friend that he was going to kill her if she told his soul.
Yeah, come in. Oh, you're back.
Mr. Dominic, where is my friend?
Your friend?
Yes. Has she left?
Your friend, we were trying to,
Jesus! Mr. Dominic, what did you do to my friend? What did you do to my friend?
Hey, shh. Just keep quiet. I am not a murderer. It wasn't deliberate. Okay?
You're an narcotic.
Shut up, I am not a narcotic man. Don't make noise here. Do you understand? See, I am going to explain to you what happened. You know you left one by bushmeat and I was trying to...
You're trying to rape her.
No. I was trying to talk to her softly. I was trying to touch her and she started struggling. She started struggling and started running around.
How do you expect me to believe all these things you say?
You need to...
This is not our initial plan. You said you want to have a privacy. You just want to discuss with her.
Yes, but this wasn't intentional. Okay? I touched her. I'm not a vampire. I touched her. She started running and I started running. So we kind of playing. And getting to this place, she wanted to jump and hit her head on the couch or floor. I don't know. And this happened. It wasn't deliberate. Please, I am sorry, okay? Hey. Are you trying to run? You want to go and cast me out there? Now listen. I do not want anyone to hear of this. If anyone gets to hear of this, I am going to kill you. And I'll kill anyone that hears of it. Yes, I'll do it. I promised you something, right? Now I am going to transfer 100,000 naira to your account. And also give you the iPhone that I promised you. Then you smile out of this place. Okay? Come on, smile. Come on, smile for me. Come on, smile. Smile, good girl. Good girl. Come on. Smile. Good. Smile. Smile. That is it. Beautiful girl. I'm going to transfer 100K to your account. Then the iPhone that I promised you. Okay? No one should hear of this. No one should hear of this.
I was so pained, so I decided to go after them both. I'm responsible for the miscarriage your sister had.
You? So all this while, you've been the one stirring this misunderstanding between my sister and I? Like, what have I ever done to you?
I'm sorry, Chima. But this is not about you or your sister. I only wanted to hit Dominic where it would hurt him the most.
Oh, really? So killing an unborn child and then hurting my own sister has now become justifiable, isn't it?
I'm sorry.
No.
It wasn't deliberate. As we speak, My brother, who is the only family that I have, is gradually falling into depression because of what happened.
Okay. Let me get something straight. So, you said a lot of things. So, the point now is, how am I involved in all of this? How is it that, like, I'm the only one seeing you? How come? How is that?
Chima, you are spiritually strong. Right from the day you were born, your ancestors has set you aside to do exploits. You have so many powers that you do not even know about. That's the reason I need you to free my spirit from the bondage it's in right now.
Bondage, you say?
Yes. After appearing to your brother-in-law on several occasions, he resorted to visiting a powerful native doctor. He changed my spirit, and that has made me powerless and unable to accomplish my mission. That is why I need you to free my spirit from the bondage it's in right now. Please, Chima. You're the only one who can help me lose that chain to regain my freedom.
Informer. Who's your story? No doubt your story is a touching one. But I don't like to get involved in all of this, to be honest. I mean, I've had enough headache with my sister. But don't make it look like I'm being wicked. I can't. What you're asking of me is too much. I can't. Please. As much as I sympathize with you, I can't.
Chima. Chima, please.
I can't do this.
Chima. Chima, please. Please, Chima. You're the only one who can help me lose that chain and regain my freedom.
It's unbelievable. All along, I've been making friends with a ghost. To think she's the first young woman I've ever had a close conversation with. But I can't do what she's asking. No? I mean, people already have a bad impression about me, and I don't intend to make it worse by pulling this one.
Chima, it's like your village girlfriend have broken your heart. No grief for anybody this year. No grief for any girl who will make you cry. I've been longing to ask you. I've been noticing you have been acting strange lately. Everyone has been suspecting that you're mentally unstable.
Huh?
Sorry.
Like one might remove your teeth. Get out from here, my own. Get out. Nene's here.
Honey, there's something very important I want to discuss with you.
It's okay. What could that be?
It's about Chima. Haven't you noticed his strange attitude lately in this house?
Chima.
Yes.
Strange behavior?
This house.
I've not actually noticed any strange behavior from him.
I have noticed several times when I see Chima, he's always talking to someone. He's discussing with somebody. And when I try to see the person, I can't see. I don't know. He behaves as if he's not okay. He's mentally unsuitable. There's something wrong about Chima. I can't place it. I'm really scared.
It's okay. That shouldn't bother you. Maybe tomorrow I'll call him and interrogate him on that.
Okay.
Let me know what exactly is going on.
Please do. Please. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That shouldn't be a problem.
That's a problem.
That's why you're not sleeping. Is that why you're not sleeping?
I don't want to sleep.
Come on, you need to catch some sleep now, okay?
No.
Come on, let's go and sleep.
No.
Good morning.
Chima. How are you?
Fine. Came to tell you that I'm leaving.
Leaving to where?
To the village, of course.
To do what?
I'm going to the village where my peace and safety is guaranteed. Imagine.
Where your peace and what is guaranteed? Look at you. Whose presence in this house is causing a threat? Since you came into this house, it has all been crazy. I lost my first child because of you.
See, sister, let's get something straight here. I'm sick and tired of these false allegations of yours. Oh, go Mikeo, Kangwazi now. I'm sick and tired of all these your false allegations. Mbona, you lost your first child because of me. See, you lost your first child because of the innocent blood you people spilled and is hovering around this house. Jesus. You slapped me.
Are you stupid? Is there something wrong with your head? Oh! Who are you calling blood sippers? Me?
Excuse me.
In my house?
What's going on here?
Hello? Honey, can you imagine this fool? Can you imagine this ingrate? This idiot I brought into my house is saying that we are blood sippers.
Chima, is that true? Why did you utter such defamatory words about my family?
So I don't have an answer to that question. All I can say is that I shall answer all these questions.
Look at
I shall answer all these
I
questions.
don't shut up! We're gonna get out! Look at you! So you see, when I complain, you be siding him. Look at the person you're covering, Chiba. Look at who you're siding. Me, blood sippers. Chima guy, go, I'm here waiting for you. I am here waiting for you. In my own house, you have the guts to insult me. Look at, if I talk, you will say I'm talking. Now you're oh God. Hey, me? Hey, me blood sippers in my own house. Look at Chima Wampi. Someone I brought all the way from the village to come and stay with me in my house. I'm not a blood sipper. No problem. Chima Wampi. No problem, oh. No problem. Hey.
Dominic, you mean your brother-in-law actually said all this before he left?
Yes, I heard that myself. I heard it. You know, my wife has been crying inside. You know, saying that she's regretting allowing him to come here in the first place.
But then it's possible he angrily said all of this out of the false accusation he has been enduring all this while.
I doubt it. I doubt it. Because shortly before now, my wife noticed that he has been acting strange. He claimed to be talking to someone that she cannot see. And from what I gathered, that boy possesses some spiritual powers.
Hold on, spiritual powers?
Yes.
If this is the case, then you don't have to leave anything to chance. Because this whole thing is becoming strange.
I think I know what to do. Hold on.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah, bro, what's up? How you doing? Okay, there's this heat I want you to do for me. There's a job I want you to do for me. And I need a clean job. No traces. I am going to send you the picture of the target. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you.
At this point, moves like this are the right thing to do.
Done. Come on.
Young kid,
Useless boy. I have never seen such a human being like you. It is so useless. Lenny, you've barely spent 3 months in the city. To finish my food up here.
Because my cousin now got food. Again, what the Guinness. You can keep your food to yourself. I don't care. You know what Guinness? Mama put. Or someone finish your food. Richard, yeah, swatte.
Just tell me. No, tell me, what is it? What is it? Can you feel one name, Melly? Your sister invited you to the city. Begged her husband to allow you to stay with them. You do about them, Madule. Okay, for you, you're useless. You're hopeless. I don't want your well for.
Mama, please, it's okay.
Say whatever you want to say. Ikulana. No matter what you say, I'm not going back to that evil house. Evil house, I'm not going back there.
You're not the evil. Evil personified not the evil. No, let me ask you. How many DBS phone numbers and your phone? Okay, for you, to curse you. Makanan curse if you get so you man to banya.
Upe, curse. You want to curse me? Mama, whom God and his ancestors are blessed, you cannot curse. You can't curse me. Chukunanda bless me.
Fella, the ancestors, bless again. Bless again as what? Fella me boy. Adro otro. Anum pama. Okeleku. Kemma boya bo. Aga mefu. Ochicha. Okeleku. Mbeku. Gini.
Mama, please, it's okay now.
No, don't tell me that.
Mama, talk. Baba, let neighbors hear us. Baba, let neighbors hear us.
What?
Mama, please, it's okay now. It's okay.
Because allow me to talk some sense.
Kube. Continue.
Hey man, look at him. His only sibling, he's not even talking to her. Why can't you be at peace with your sister? But why can't you?
Keep talking. Let neighbors hear us. Let neighbors hear us.
Neighbors already know you.
Whatever I want to say. Stop getting up. When I was there, keep you quiet. Was it not when you were talking? You tell us stuff. I'm not going back. I've told you. I'm not going back there. Whatever you say, I'll remain here with you. I'll remain here with you. This is my father's house.
Stay here with me.
I got team bet.
It's okay now.
I will stay here with you.
Anything better also. If you say no, leave me. It's okay. Stupid boy. Ha! God, are you sure they did not exchange this one in the hospital?
I don't know what's wrong with him.
Are you in love with this apple? On your kids just a compound that in other things. You go for loss. On the same thing. Also, Kamanzu.
Chimo. Give me peace. 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 The heart of innocent Christ. Give me.
Some are not again. Leave me alone now. Have I not had enough share of your problems? Number one, have my account now. Leave me alone.
I cannot do that. Chima, deep down inside of you, I can see the willingness and zeal for you to help me. But you're just scared of what would happen next.
See, Ify, the point is that what you ask of me is illogical. Check here now. Think about it. I don't know you, neither do I know any member of your family. How do you expect me to just go and carry out such a huge task? Have you even wondered what people will say if I get caught? Check in here now. Please go away. I don't like this.
Chima, please. You have to help me for your own safety.
My own safety? See, for your information, I fear no man. I'm not afraid of any man. The only person I fear is Chukwueke Beama. I fear no man at all. See, the best I can do for you is to offer supplications for you. Just go and leave vengeance for God. What's all this? Leave me alone, no. Leave me alone.
Chima, please. Chima, please.
Okay, you don't want to leave. You don't want to leave me, Abi. I will leave this place for you. Katawazi Obirish, I will leave this place for you.
Chima, please don't walk away from me. Chima, please.
What the top me? Don't follow me.
Give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent Christ. Give me peace, give me peace.
No, Mama, you will not understand. Mama, you will not understand how this... Mama, this boy almost insulted us.
Mom, I understand the gravity of what he did. Mana Biko, Bayal, don't write him off, Biko. He's your brother.
How do I not beg my husband for the same favor again? Hey, Mama.
Biko, you get beg. He's your brother, oh? You know, they say that blood is thicker than water. If you people end up being enemies, that means my life is meaningless.
Mama, your life cannot be meaningless because of that stupid boy. Do you know that my husband can sue him for slander? Do you know?
Hey! Chineke Nam, I don't know if NGC will kote. Why is this boy like this? What is really wrong with him? Eh?
Oh, don't worry, everything will be fine. Everything will be very fine. Okay? I hope that stupid boy is not giving you a headache over there.
Mom, what will I do? Whether he causes me headache or not, will I disown him? Mba? He's my only son now. Mba. Eh? I just have to continue praying that God will change him. Oh, was he quite faint only? Oh, which I know.
Mama, don't worry, all will be fine, okay? Just take care of yourself. We'll talk later. Alright? Now, bye. Okay, Mom. Bye-bye, Mom.
Oh, Mom, bye-bye. God bless you. If only he's just a little bit like his sister. Just one time.
Babe,
Baby.
you really have to take it easy. You really have to take it easy. Mama doesn't need all these troubles.
I don't know why God gave me that stupid, useless boy. As a brother. What kind of brother is this?
Take it easy, please.
It's just crazy.
See what that was. So,
Okay. Oh, this is nice. Ah, okay.
My guy, as you see, my blood hot. I dey tell you, my blood hot like this.
Your blood dey hot.
My blood hot like this.
E come be like say as I give my life to God, na now I keep her so. I dey kill go. Eh? Anybody perf wey I smell, I don smoke am. If I just smell your perfume, don carry you out.
My guy, is you.
I no get joy for killing you.
Na
hobby na. We go to school.
Killing my guy.
Killing na hobby.
Attitude.
Bros.
Who that you now? They look my face. I dey talk to you. Now they look me. I see you won't correct. But I tell you about cause.
I really this guy confirm am. I'll press this one next time. And then no mercy one day. Brother. Wait. Confirm am.
Maybe the consolation guy.
Confirm am. Very good. Look mention.
Is he alive? Where?
Babe, what is it? What's going on?
It's my mom.
What'd she say?
Mama called me. He said my brother was beaten by some hoodlums on the road.
Okay.
They're in the hospital.
She's in the hospital right now?
Yes.
What's the current situation?
I don't know. She said the doctor has not addressed them yet. I don't know what the situation is right now.
Oh my God.
Hey.
This is not a good news.
Hmm.
Okay, babe, please just calm down.
Hey.
Okay?
Who has done this to my brother? Honey, I'm the cause of everything. Nothing would have happened to him if my brother was staying in this house. I wouldn't have allowed him go. Hey. 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 Honey, please. I need to go and see him right away.
Babe, not now. Not now. We have to wait first and hear from the doctor before we move. Okay? Let's hear from them first.
Are you sure he's okay?
Oh, wow.
Are you sure he's okay?
You'll be fine. Calm down.
Just come on, man. Just...
Rose, what are we celebrating?
You like the clothes?
I like the clothes. Wow! See, Rose, of course, I like the clothes.
Then let me bust your brain now. Well, I just realized that you need someone that will constantly remind you how special you are. Look, I know I cannot replace Ifeoma permanently, but I owe it an obligation to close up the vacuum her death must have created in your heart. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
I know.
Hi.
Gorumegu, sing for me.
Chai, all these things for me.
Sing for me. I want you to sing for me. Gorumegu, bust out my brain.
Chai, my Rose. All these things for me.
Yes. Gorumegu.
Hi,
Rose.
Rose.
Hey.
Rose mo.
Eh?
Rose mo.
Eh?
Rose mo.
Hey.
Rose mo.
Hey.
Rose mo.
Eh?
Nakene nuku Rose mo. Nakene nuku ya. Rose mo. Rose mo. Rosie ke papaya. Rose mo. Nakene nuku Rose mo.
I can't believe that bastard is still breathing.
Dominic, you need to calm down. You need a clear head to strategize on what to do next.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do next? Should I go to the village and shoot him straight in the chest?
No.
What do I do?
Far from that, okay? I think we need to visit Ojiji again. I think it's high time you take another dimension on this. What do you think?
I think you have a point there. That is what I can do. That is what I must do.
Give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent cries. Give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent yells. Give me peace, give me peace.
I'm very sorry for everything you've gone through. I brought this upon you.
It's fine. I mean, it's not your fault entirely. I I don't know. How could I have known all these years? My sister has been living with a monster. What? I've resolved to put an end to all of this so that everybody will have their own peace.
Thank you very much, Chima. But you have to act really fast. Because I can see him plotting another evil.
I am not afraid of Dominic. He can do whatever he wants to do. I'm not afraid. I mean, with God and my ancestors by my side, I fear no harm. I don't fear any man. Tomorrow I shall be at your place to remove the chain you said was buried beside your grave. So that at the end of it, everybody will just be fine. I just hope and pray your brother understands. That's my headache.
He will. Provided it's to get justice for my death, he will understand.
You think so?
Yes.
Give me peace. The heart of innocent Christ. Give me peace.
Just last week, he was beaten up and strangled by some hoodlums. And today, he's slumped and he hasn't woken up for some hours.
Isn't it obvious someone is after our family? Eh? Look at my brother Chima. He's not troublesome. He's not a troublemaker. Why are they trying to kill him?
Don't you think it's time
I feel for Mama. I hope this situation will not trigger Mama's health challenges. That's my problem.
Don't you think it's time for you to go to the village and find out things yourself?
I think so.
And Mama needs your support.
I will discuss with my husband and tell him I'll be leaving to the village tomorrow. That's what I'm going to do.
You have to do something about it. You know he's your only brother.
I pray nothing happens to my only brother.
Nothing will happen to him.
And to think of, we are not even in good terms before all this happened. Hey.
See, Nika, it's okay. It's okay. Everything will be fine. It's okay.
It has not been easy. It has not.
I understand. I understand.
Hey, babe.
Hey, honey.
Yeah, I'm not called to say that Chima is still very unconscious. I think we all have to book a mass for him and start praying for him.
That is what I was telling her before you came in.
Oh, really? Baby, see? Don't worry, okay? You'll be fine. I know that Chima will get well soon, as long as God is alive. Okay.
Where I was laid to rest. And at that spot is where he buried the chain to put my spirit under eternal bondage. You alone can pull it out and set me free.
This is unbelievable. I wouldn't have ever believed that Dominic would come this far with his evil ploys.
He will still come for more if we don't act fast. As we speak, he is devising means to eliminate you completely, to cover his tracks. That is why we need to listen up.
You said he has been like this for days.
It's been like this for days. Eh? I don't know what happened to him. I don't know who has done this to us. Can you see Kebunka? And to think that I've been cursing him, abusing him, accusing him of things he did not even do. Now look at what somebody has done to us. I blame myself. I blame myself now. I'm so ashamed of myself.
Who could be doing this to us?
Keka Mesima.
Okay, Izzy.
Keka Mesima, who is doing it? I don't know who will be doing this. Get water! Get water!
Where is it from?
I need to go to Informer's place. I need to go to Informer's place.
Informer's place? Where is it from, Mama?
No, tell me. Where's your Informer, me?
Mama, go Informer. Please. Mama's.
You think there's a
Mama, sit.
Just sit.
Mama.
He's going to inform my one.
Mama.
No, let me.
Mama.
Come back.
Just sit down. Mama. Sit. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Informer, but what can one?
Sit.
Dominic, what's going on? You're not saying anything.
Man, I'm angry. I'm angry. My wife just called me and told me that Chima has recovered.
What?
That she's still alive. How could Ojiji disappoint me like this? Just to kill one village boy.
This is bad news. You really need to act fast. Worrying won't solve anything.
Oh, I'm finished.
No, you are not.
Oh.
You need to think of something. What are you going to do next?
I think I have to finish it myself.
You have to do what? You can't afford to risk this whole thing. What happened to the boys you hired the other time to kill him?
They are on the run. They are on the run because they heard that Chima is still alive. The police, the vigilante are on them. I have to finish it myself. Just one village boy.
Chimo, 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 Chimo. Give me peace, 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 give me peace. The heart of innocent Christ. Give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent years. Give me peace, give me peace, give me peace.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I was told that you wanted to see me. Please, how may I help you?
Baby, please, can you sit down? Please, sit.
Okay. Sit there.
I greet you, bro.
You're welcome.
I know we've not seen before. My name is Chima, and I'm also from this community. I don't know how this might sound, but I came to see you with respect to your sister.
My own sister? You mean Adanem?
Yes,
Informer?
yes.
I don't understand. I don't understand. You are not making any sense. If you're not making any sense.
Okay. Here is the thing. Your sister Ifeoma was unjustly murdered, and as we speak, her soul is not at rest. More so, the man that perpetrated all this evil is after my own life. Please, I need to do what I have to do so that her soul can get justice and find rest. Please.
What are you saying? You are not. Are you? See, what is that your name again?
Chima is your name.
Oh, Chima. Chima, are you here to reopen a deep wound that I'm just trying to heal myself off from? Are you here to heal? Are you here to reopen the wound that is just healing? Do you know what my sister's death cost me? Do you know the pains I am passing through?
Calm down, please, bro.
Are you here to reopen a wound that is healing already?
Bro, please, you have to calm down, please. Cool it down, please. See, I didn't want to get in the middle of all this, but right now you have to just please share my frame of reference. A chain was buried in your sister's grave. That's the point, and I need to unchain her so that her soul can get justice. Please, I beg you. Yes, a chain, please.
See, Chima, or whatever you might call your name. See, if you don't have anything meaningful, Chima, if you don't have anything reasonable to tell me, Ike Papa, you're the classic gista. See this door now. You must be doiru. It does. What you no. Nyambuta koda nikwelo double bandana. Now we'll pound you like pondo yam. If you don't leave this compound for me.
You need to listen to me, please.
Wait, don't worry, I'll talk to you.
My life is at stake here.
Can you hear me? Baby, can you hear me? Please, you have to calm down first. You obviously haven't seen this young man before. And he has seen some fragile things surrounding the former's death. Bcos, let's give him a benefit of doubt. For the sake of the love you have for your sister Ifeoma, please. Bcos, wait to Obi, no go Bcos. Don't start. Please.
My sister.
So what are you saying now? What do we do?
Oga, wait. You said your name is Chima, right? What do you want me to do for you? Papa, you're mailing. What exactly do you want me to do for you, baby?
Right now,
Don't like this thing you're doing. You want to start again?
Please, right now, need you to take me to her grave, please. Like right now, please. Go, please.
Do I need for?
Give me peace, give me peace.
Stella, what is it?
Mama, the food.
The food? What happened to the food? Are you not the one that prepared it?
Mama, blood.
Blood, Opa. This food that I'm seeing here, blood. There is no blood in this food now.
Mama, you people seeing blood?
No, what blood are you talking about? There's no blood in this food now.
There is blood.
Blood, Opa. There's no blood in this food now.
How could you do this to me? I thought we were friends.
Please don't kill me, please. I didn't know he would hurt you. Please forgive me.
Who are you talking to? Hey!
You must go now. Go and confess all that happened to me if you wish not to see me again.
Stella! What? Where are you running to? Hey, I said that this will put you in trouble. Stella, come here! Where are you running to? Who are you running to?
I don't understand. You mean he just woke up and rushed out of the compound without telling anybody where he was rushing to?
That was exactly what happened. All he did this morning when he woke up was take a cup of drinking water, and then the next thing he said, Ifeoma's house.
And who is this Ifeoma?
Amaram, I don't know. I am totally confused. I don't even know.
You could hear that bunker.
Amaram. Did you people find him?
No, Mama.
Hey! Hello, I'm
We lost his track. But I sent his pictures. I showed his pictures to some guys. And I told them that whoever finds him, I will reward them.
I am finished. And nothing happened to this boy, oh.
Azuka, calm down.
Then nothing happens to this boy.
Azuka, calm down. Calm down. Don't start crying. Don't start now. Just calm down. He will surely be back. He will come back. He's not a small boy. Calm down. He will come.
I'll find him.
Hi. Maybe I should go and look for him myself.
Azuka, calm down. He will come back.
He will come back.
He come. Oh. Did you go down there?
Mama, he will come back. Hi. Mama, don't worry, he will come back. Please, my husband has been calling me. Let me return his calls back. You go.
Calm down. He will be back.
So, in fact, this whole thing started, it was so complex, but I thank God we now have a direction. The man in question who perpetrated all this evil is my brother-in-law. His name is Dominic, and as we speak, he's trying to kill me also because I now know what he knows.
So you mean in-law?
Oh, gone okay.
No, it's your in-law.
Oh, gone okay.
Hi, Mama. Brother, please, I want to say something. Forgive me for keeping this secret all to myself, brother. I never intended for my friend Ifeoma to die like this. Mr. Domi told me he would buy iPhone 14 for me and give me some money if I take Ifeoma to his house. I didn't know he wanted to kill her. Please, brother, please forgive me.
Stella! Stella, what have you just said? Stella, you mean that you know the person that killed my sister?
No. But I did not know. He threatened me that if I speak up, if I expose, he will kill me, brother. Brother, please forgive me.
See, Stella, I have never liked you. Stella, when I'm going to going Stella, I've never liked you. I told the former my sister, I told Ifeoma, my sister, that you are not good enough for her. I'm gonna make Ifeoma that you are not her match. Now look at where it has landed my sister, baby. We do not give Ifeoma more.
Brother, it's not intentional, brother.
Please. Stella, whatever your name is. Are you listening to me? Are you listening? My friend, stop those things right there. Look, you are following me to my family house. We're heading straight to my compound. I will need you to say exact everything you said here. You say it there. The world must know who the real beast is. Are you listening? Don't play with me.
You see, Chima, eh? You see, Chima. As we gathered here now, if you let wine on now, we are moving straight to your compound right now. You see that man that killed my sister, Ifeoma? You see that man that took away the life of my sister, Ifeoma? See, if I get that man,
everybody's at home, don't worry.
I will kill him, baby. See, wait for me here. I am coming. I'm put that gun on because I'm going to finish that man. Just wait.
Brother, Stella, you are wicked. Stella, you are very intentional. Your own friend is intentional. Stella, can you put my leg? Stella, can you put my leg, brother? You are evil.
Come here, where are you going?
If I get that man,
Where are you? Where are you? Show yourself! Show yourself! Let's finish it! Show yourself!
I tried confessing severally. When Ifeoma Ghost came to threaten me with my life, for Mr. Dominic tries to, he told me that if I did, he will kill me.
Allah. Abomination. What?
So all this while, I've been living with a murderer in the same house. Same house. Yeah.
So this is the kind of thing you do at your age. Is this how you want to pay your parents back? Okay, see where I go for war.
See, please, you people will give me that man's address. Let me go there myself, eh? Let me use this my account on Nikwelo double pan. Then I can well my only sister.
I did not bring you up in that manner. You have to be a good boy because that is how I brought you up. You cannot be like this man we're talking about. But
killed my only sister, Ifoma. You killed my only sister. Let me go and crack. And will I go down? Please
calm down, please.
Ifoma, one them. Ifoma, my sister.
What is going on here?
Dominic, how could you? How could you?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
He's the one that killed Ifoma and dropped her body on the roadside.
If I go down, you go down. Don't even try me. Don't even try me. Okay, what is it? What is he doing?
Rattle go.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please. Don't. Let him die.
Dominic! So all this while, Mama, I've been living with a murderer. A man that has tried several attempts to kill my own brother. Now the world will know that I've been living with a wicked man. A man that tried to kill and rape an innocent girl. Mama. Mama. Mama.
It's okay. You have to take heart, because Mama, it's okay. It's okay. You can't cry forever.
Hey!
Tofiakwa. This is the head of abomination. What the kwegu?
I have lost my first seed. All just because of this wicked man. I've lost my first seed.
Osuko, don't make me to start crying again now, Biko.
Chima, one name. Chima, my only brother. Biko, I am so sorry. I'm sorry for all that I have accused you. Biko, forgive me. Oh, Biko.
Mama. Chimama. Well, for all the accusations, for everything we laid against you, Biko Boyalo, Ebesina Ona. Equally, that the truth will finally prevail, and it has prevailed.
Mama, I've long forgiven the both of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Besides, it's not like you knew what you were really doing at that time. At least my joy is that nothing happened to me nor any member of my family.
Yes, my son. Yes, my son. Yes, we have to thank God and our ancestors. Yes, indeed. It's not an easy battle. And not a fleshly battle. It's a spiritual battle. And you conquered it. Yes.
Hey, Mama.
Chima, I just want to say thank you for the sacrifices and the pains you've had to go through to ensure that I get justice. I wish there was a better way to show my appreciation because words are not enough.
It's fine. Please, I'm happy that in the end you are also happy. And this, I did what was ideal of me to do. And I'm happy that now justice has been served in the end. Yeah. So now what next?
Now that my mission is accomplished, my soul is at peace. So I would have to go back to the other side. Chima, once again, thank you very much. May God and your ancestors continue to bless, guide and protect you.
Say no.
Bye, Chima.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever, forever. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever, forever. You can try to hide your sins, but judgment day is coming. It's coming. You can only pretend, but judgment day is coming. It's coming. No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you. No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you. No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you.